Hello students, today in the next part we will do determiners part 6. In determiners part 6 we will complete this, that, these, those. Actually this, that, these, those are demonstrative adjectives, they are determiners. You are just to keep in your mind that this plus noun, that plus noun, these or those plus noun, that will be determiner. For example, this book is very interesting, that book is very interesting, these books are very costly, those books are very costly. So you will have to keep in your mind that this plus noun is determiner. But suppose you are saying this is a boy, this is not determiner, this is a boy, this is a boy, this is not determiner, this is pronoun. Okay, this is pronoun, this plus noun is again determiner. Same is the case with these books, these men, those men, these women, these students. Okay, then we have several. We have done article A, that was used for singular. We have done article the, that was different. Then we have much, use of much, many, then a lot of, lots of, a great deal of, a good number of. These were also determiners, but they were used for large number of things or large amount of quantity. Okay, so several mean more than two, not one, not two, more than two, but not many. Several is not used for so many things. Okay, several mean more than two but not many. For example, several letters arrived today. Okay, several letters arrived. Several letters mean not one, not two, more than two but not many, not 100, not 200, that could be 5, 10. Okay, these are also several mean more than two but not many. Several, I have grown several varieties of flowers. Several varieties of flowers mean not many, but maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so several mean not many but more than two. Then students, we have the use of enough. Enough is used before plural or uncountable. It means enough is used with countable as well as uncountable. When we are concerned with countable, if we are talking about countable, that should be plural only, enough plus plural. Okay, and in uncountable we can use enough. What is the meaning of enough? Enough means as many और as much as that we say sufficient. जैसे हम बोलते हैं काफ़ी है, ठीक है. जैसे आप किसी को खाना खिला रहे हो, वो बोलेगा नो आई हैव एनफ फूड, I have enough money, I have enough pens. So it means he does not need any more. He has as much as required, as much as required, as many as required. जितनी ज़रूरत है उतना उसके पास है. Okay, that means sufficient. For example, I have enough food at home. You need not worry. I have enough plus food, noun. Enough plus noun is equal to determiner. So enough is determiner. Enough means sufficient. Enough food at home. Do you want to borrow some books? No, I don't want to borrow some books as I have enough books at my home. Okay, so enough plus food is, that is enough mean. enough का क्या मीनिंग आया? enough का मीनिंग आपने लिया as many as, sufficient, काफ़ी, ठीक है, जितनी किसी को ज़रूरत है उतना किसी के पास है, दैट इज एनफ। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स देयर इज वन प्रॉब्लम विद एनफ, वी कैन यूज एनफ एज एन एडजेक्टिव, एडजेक्टिव मीन डिटर्मिनर, यू कैन से डिटर्मिनर और एडजेक्टिव। ओके, whenever students we have the use of enough as determiner, use of enough as determiner, enough plus noun, okay, enough plus noun is equal to, enough plus noun is equal to this is determiner। okay, enough plus noun, enough food, enough students, enough books, enough money, okay, all right, enough milk, enough wheat, enough fruit, that is enough plus noun is, that is determiner। whenever there is enough food, now you will be asked enough is adverb, no, pronoun, no, determiner, yes, or if it is not determiner it is adjective। okay, adjectives are determiners, so enough plus noun is determiner, but adjective plus enough, adjective plus enough is adverb, this enough will be adverb, this is not a determiner until or unless there is a noun after enough, it is not determiner। okay, for example, he is intelligent enough। now what you see, there is no noun after enough, enough के बाद कोई noun नहीं है, enough food, enough boys, so intelligent is adjective, enough is adverb, a word that qualifies an adjective is adverb, जो adjective को qualify करता है उसको adverb बोलते हैं। तो यहाँ पर ये determiner नहीं है, यहाँ पर क्या है, adverb है। जैसे she is beautiful enough, she is clever enough, this horse is fast enough, fast, adjective plus enough is, then enough becomes adverb। okay, then it becomes adverb। then students we have the use of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, if we have plus noun then it is again डिटर्मिनर। ठीक है, अगर 1 2 3 जैसे 1 बॉय 2 बॉयज 3 बॉयज 3 बुक्स 3 पेन्स, पेन्स नाउन, बॉयज नाउन, तो वो भी डिटर्मिनर है। मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 6 ये भी डिटर्मिनर होते हैं जब 1 के बाद, जब व्हेन दैट इज डूइंग द फंक्शन ऑफ डिटर्मिनिंग, व्हेन 1 2 3 4 5 100 प्लस नाउन है तो क्या हो जाएगा, डिटर्मिनर हो जाएगा। तो इस पार्ट में दिस दैट दीज दोज सेवरल, हमेशा उसके बाद नाउन आना चाहिए, ये याद रखना है। डिटर्मिनर कब होगा, जब वो वर्ड्स हैं प्लस साथ में नाउन होगा तभी वो डिटर्मिनर होगा। तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 इज ऑल्सो डिटर्मिनर। ओके, व्हेन देयर इज, देन स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स, वी हैव पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स। हमने देखा है प्रोनाउंस में पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं। ठीक है, जैसे ये देखो रोहन्स, ये पोजेसिव है. पोजेसिव मीन टेलिंग अस अबाउट ओनरशिप, belongingness. Then we have my, your, his, her, its, okay, their. ठीक है. These are also determiners when noun comes after them. My father. What is my? Determiner. Your sister. What is your? Determiner. His book is very interesting. What is his? Determiner. Her brother. What is this? Again determiner. Its leg. I have a table. Its leg is broken. Whose leg? Its leg. Again determiner. Their school is closed these days. So there is. So this, that, these, those, several, enough, and this possessive adjective. Okay, possessive adjective जो कौन कौन से हैं? My, our, your, his, her, its, their, और apostrophe ऐसे लगा करके होता है, तो that is determiner. Okay, that is Rohan's father. So Rohan's is a determiner. Okay, I hope that this determiner part 6 is clear to you. This, that, these, those. You will have to keep in your mind that there should be noun, and when there is noun, it determine. Determine mean it tells us whether something is definite or indefinite. जैसे ये है my father, this is definite. Whose father? My father. Absolutely clear. But I am saying a man. A man. A is indefinite article. A mean I don't know who is a. Any, that should be any. So I hope you enjoyed this part of determiner. We have one or two more parts to be discussed still, and I will soon do that. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.